Hello guys, we're gonna talk about the realistic project that's PULALA, but before we start, small disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and all you should do on research and invest if the money can afford to lose. So they're gonna take a look at the new project which allow you to make some profit by completing the daily tasks. So here I have like the different tasks for the different like the VIP levels, and basically you can unlock the daily task based on the VIP, which you can check in the VIP tab. And as you can see, based on the VIP level you actually buy, you can get like the different task, and that means that you have the different like the total profit out of this VIP level. So these are pretty cool, and now I'm gonna show you how exactly this works. So as I told you before, in the homepage there is a recharge, there's a withdraw app, and the company profile. So of course in the recharge you can deposit the funds to buy the VIP level, of course, and also after you buy the VIP you can complete the task, and in the task you can click the complete. So there is a super simple, just click the mission, task completed, and as you can see I have it in the completed task. The tokens are credited instantly into my account, so this is a pretty cool, and I can just withdraw them. But before I also want to show you the other feature of the platform, so the team. So as you can see here you can have like the invitation code that you can share with the friends or other people that want to use the platform, and so they can make some profit. So we can just share with the friends, and like they make profit together. So this is pretty cool. So there is also a withdraw, as I told you before. You can click the withdraw, and as you've seen before, I claimed the 62 tokens from the task, so this is super simple. Then you need to type the amount of the coins that you want to withdraw. So for example, the 62, and type the address for the withdrawal. So I will just copy paste my address, type in the password, and click the confirm, and that is all. The withdrawal is successful, and I will show you in the screen actually the withdrawal from the blockchain explorer, and when this actually go through, since it takes us some like the couple of minutes to actually process the transaction on the blockchain. So like the couple of confirmations, so we know we need to wait like the couple of minutes. So I will leave in a like on the screen the confirmation of the transaction, so you can see that this side is actually really making the video. So these are pretty cool. Also in the description we have the link to the website, so you can just directly go to the website, click the register, so you don't need to like the search for the for the link. And as I told you before, there are like the different tasks that you can complete, and there is like the feed from the last task. So we can see that there are like the huge amount of the people that completing the task. So they every like the couple of minutes some people are making the tasks and getting the rewards. So as you can see, up to $300,000. So this is actually huge. So this is a pretty cool, and if you want to join this project, just go to pulala.vip and check this project by yourself.